What are you doing?
What's breakfast?
What's the story? Wake up.
Hola.
Actually, these people are probably sleeping. I'm sorry.
Yes.
You're going to work.
6 in the morning.
So, we're going snowboarding again.
Okay.
2 weeks later. Actually, I don't know where we're going. Which mountain we're going. Where are we going?
The same one.
The same one. So we're going to Masella. Don't have the
With
tripod. We broke it. We're going to Masella on the rickshaw. So this is our transport. Anyway, but this time we don't have beloved Henry.
Henry, where are you, Henry? Why you are not coming, eh?
But we have a good replacement.
Have beginner. Never done.
We don't have the Jaguar, but we have Alfonso.
We have Alfonso.
He'll have to do. And yeah, anyway, so it's gonna be sick. Hopefully,
Really
yeah.
hard.
Man,
Look,
people are.
look at that. What?
I don't know if that's a fight or if that's no.
No,
That's a romantic event.
It's a fight
Yeah.
between two towns.
I'm not gonna show that because of GDPR and
because
stuff. But
we won that
there is a sword fight going on between these people. Anyway, so it's gonna be sick. We'll catch up with you later. Man,
Sick.
these people are still like out. It's 6:15 a.m. but it's weird to see when we're doing this. Let's go. Today is that it started to rain, which could be great because if it gets cold enough then it's going to be snow, but we're sort of on the mountain and it's just rain, which means it's like 2 degrees under what we need it to be, and if it's rain it's going to melt and then it's going to turn to ice, and ice is so bad because like when you fall you just break your arse like so badly. I didn't know you can actually buy padding for your arse apparently, which probably looks like 2 big ass implants. I don't know, we don't have that, but you can do it. It's still going to be sick crack, but like obviously it's much nicer if it's sunny. But anyway, no pasa nada. Bro, it is pretty foggy up there, like I'm not gonna lie. There is one bit of good news, and it's that the third person we have this time is Alfonso, and it's only his second time ever snowboarding, so I'm hoping he sucks just as much as I do. Because last time Henry is like an instructor and he's deadly, so I was just at the back of the queue the whole time. Obviously it's still amazing. And anyway, yeah, so it's gonna be friggin' deadly. Let's go. Just getting the boots on, which is always an absolute bitch, even when later on, because it's so much colder. But anyway, there we go. So it's getting busier now. Man, it gets busy so quick here, but it is cool. And also when you're snowboarding, like when you have to get from A to B and you're not actually going down a slope, you have to sort of go down like with 1 foot on and 1 foot off, just resting on the side. It's so awkward, like you just fall over all the time on the first time. But the ice just gets so hard, like the more people who are going down the slopes all day, it compacts the snow and it's really, really hard. So when you fall, it's like a bitch, it hurts so much. Right now, like the first 2 runs will be sick, they'll just be soft. You can just throw yourself down the mountain, it's glass. But yeah, later on will be tougher for sure. So I'm listo, I'm ready, and let's have a sick day. cannot see anything. But I'm excited to see. Basically what I have is a smaller board today. The last times I've been, I've had a bigger board, which apparently are faster, but they're so much heavier. Like even when you're on the ski lift, popping your foot up into the rack, getting around when you're not actually snowboarding, like with one foot, like I have now. Like I was saying, you kind of have to like scoot around anyway, and it feels so much better already. So I'm buzzing to get down the mountain. But let's see how it goes. It's fucking snowing, which is unreal, and already it's like way softer. And like when the snow is soft, you just have like so much more confidence. So I say I'm still a beginner, but I am learning to carve like left and right. And man, the snow makes such a difference. It's just cool, man. Look how pretty it is. There's our lovely boy. Show us something good.
Wow! What's the story?
Increíble. I've got this big fucking snowball. Look at the snow. It's amazing. This is so fucking beautiful. And we're learning to carve. So we're going to go for left, and I'm probably going to mess it up. But going this way, it's like always harder. So let's give it a go. Okay, we got it. Just about. Just about. But yeah, this is amazing. Best way to spend a Saturday on the weekend is fucking snowboarding in the mountains with your pals. But not this pal, because he's a bitch and he fell over like that. Look at me all cocky because I can turn now. Chatting shit. Anyway, this is a bad place for me to stop because as you can see, there is much more professional people flying around this corner. So we will chat to you soon. It's snowing so fucking hard. So hard. So, as you can see, the snow is absolutely incredible, except you can't see anything. Visibility is practically zero. But it's amazing. Like, I don't know how much of this you can see. But yeah, totally sick, having an amazing time. But yes, the snow is like getting in the mask. I literally cannot see anything at all. But as I said, the snow is way better, softer to fall on. And yeah, we love it. At the moment. So as you can see, I'm getting better at carbon. It's a lot of fun. And 100% I'm going to drop my phone doing this. I hope not, but if it happens, I'm going to pick it up. I don't know where we're going. So let's yeah. Well, this is pretty fucking cool. It would be amazing if the snow stopped and stayed this thick. That would be like perfect. But anyway, so I don't know how much footage. Oh, there he is. I don't know how much actual like snowboarding footage we can get because it's just the snow, but it's been an amazing day. So if we have to wrap it up here, we will. Otherwise, I'll put this at the end. So I hope not. But yeah, if we have to wrap the video up here, it's been class. Had a lot of fun, and we will see you in the next one.